Good morning. It's Friday, March 3rd, 2023. This is your Georgia WeatherNet morning update, a weather-aware Friday across the state of Georgia. We start out pretty quiet. Before it's all said and done, though, we're going to have our share of strong to severe thunderstorms today and also a low-end tornado risk. So we'll talk about all that. Here's the radar. Nothing going on in South Georgia. North Georgia, we do have showers over the mountains moving into South Carolina. This little band of showers here kind of coming together, moving out of Hall County toward Jackson County, cruising up 985 and I-85 and Highway 316. So just looking out for these showers here between Atlanta and Athens. Temperatures are on the warm side again as we get started. How about Brunswick at 68 degrees? Early March, and it feels like we're in late spring already with temperatures like that. Low to mid 30s over most of South Georgia, a few 50s in North Georgia. Again, that humidity is up there as well, and that will help keep these showers and thunderstorms together. Level 1 out of 5 risk of severe weather for Albany. Over to the coastline, right up to Augusta, so all of South Georgia, level 1 risk. We push that level 2 risk up just a little bit to the northwest, but it does include Athens and Atlanta all the way down to Columbus, and a level 3 out of 5 risk of severe weather making an appearance this morning. Been a little while since we've seen a level 3 in Georgia, but here it is. So this gives you a couple of things to look at here when you see a map like this. Number one, these will be strong to severe thunderstorms. Tornado risk is in there as well as the storms enter the state, and as they continue to push down toward the southeast, they're going to lose intensity fairly quickly. So let's hope we can make that happen, and I'll show you what the key to that is going to be in just a second. But first of all, our hazards for today will be windy throughout the state. A wind advisory, that's the tan color, covering virtually all of the state of Georgia. High wind warning in northwest Georgia. So expect those gusts around 35 miles per hour in spots over a good part of the state. Could see 45 mile an hour plus wind gusts, especially in those higher elevations in northwest Georgia from Trenton over to Blue Ridge. So let's take a look at our hour by hour. Here are those light showers this morning. This is actually going to be good news. The more of this light rain we can get here in the morning will help stabilize the atmosphere somewhat. So we'll just keep our fingers crossed to see if we can get enough of this nice light rain through the morning hours. But as we head into the afternoon, there's the line that we're going to be watching. So this pushes in closer and closer by 2 p.m., entering extreme northwest Georgia around Dade County, and then pushing through Rome and continuing to move toward the east here. So this is going to be our main weather risk around 2-3 o'clock this afternoon for northwest Georgia. Really going to keep a close eye out on this. We have a ton of instability here, and we also have that wind shear, so it is a perfect environment to get some tornadoes that will spin up, and these could be some pretty significant tornadoes. So just weather aware. If you know anybody here in northwest Georgia, even down into Cobb County, parts of northwest metro Atlanta, let them know just to be on standby through the day today, because this could get rough. As we look down towards southeast Georgia, we see these showers continuing to be out ahead of this main front. These showers will be our friend, trying to take some of the juice out of this line here. This pushes through Atlanta at 5 p.m. Going to be a pretty rocky commute heading home this afternoon for Atlanta, and then moving toward Macon at about 7 p.m. You can see stretching on up into Augusta around 8 o'clock. This line should be right over Statesboro at about 10, and then moving toward the coastline around 11 o'clock or midnight. And as we move through the overnight hours, we should start to see these showers continue to move on out to sea. Then tomorrow morning, everything looks good. We'll have clear skies, drier air going to be locked in, making way for a very nice afternoon tomorrow. No problems at all. Sunday also looking good as well. Sunday will actually, you're going to think tomorrow's great, and then Sunday will get even better. So trust me, it's going to be a very, very nice weekend. So I hope you enjoy it. We'll just get through these thunderstorms today, and then our next rain chance, just a little shortwave system moving our way by Tuesday, which will bring us a few more showers in some spots. So stay with us throughout the day, and make sure you have a way to get those severe weather alerts anywhere in the state of Georgia today, because some of these storms could be very interesting to watch, and we'll follow them right here on the Georgia WeatherNet as well. That's your latest. Let's take a look at your local forecast now from northwest Georgia to southeast Georgia.